Hi everyone, I'm Jessa Moon. I am the Manager of Marketing Development at Ibotta, a rewarded shopping app. And today I'm going to walk you through a couple of ways that we use Brandfolder CDN links throughout our email communications. For starters, we use CDN links to embed images into our email communications that we send out to our savers. So I have a template here, and I need to replace this placeholder image at the top with a graphic created by our design team. I've already uploaded that image to Brandfolder, so I already had it open, but here it is from the initial screen. I'm going to click View, and I can see a few things, including tags that have been added, these other tags that are suggested by Brandfolder, and a few pieces of information about that image file. To get the CDN link, I'm going to go to the Embed tab. And again, I see a few pieces of information about the graphic, but what I really need is this asset CDN link. So I'm going to copy that by hitting Copy to Clipboard. And then I'm going to go back to my template and find the image source attribute right here in my HTML code. Currently, I have a placeholder link there, so I'm just going to highlight that and overwrite it with the CDN link from my clipboard by hitting Command V or Control V, depending on whether you're using an Apple or a PC. So you can see I pasted that in, and my image is now showing up in the template, and all I would have to do is type in my alt text here with something descriptive. So we're going to put in Pay with Ibotta. Big game, big cash. So I would now save this and continue on with the rest of the template. And then once I've built it out here, it goes to our automation team and gets sent out to our savers. And that's when the CDN links become really important to us. Because CDN involves caching images across a variety of servers, we know that if a server goes down in one location, that the other servers are still going to be backing that up with our content, meaning that none of our savers are going to open an email and find that all of the images are missing. And that's super important to Ibotta in our marketing team because we're the first point of contact with all of our savers. And that impression that they get from our email content is really valuable to them. Another way that we use the CDN links in Brandfolder is for Gmail promo images. If you're not aware of Gmail promo images, they are the little image banners, promo banners that might appear above your emails inside of the mobile app. And we have the ability to create promo graphics that would show up in various people's email inboxes. So we save those in Brandfolder as well. So if I go back here, I've already uploaded that particular image for this email program. So I'm going to view that. And once again, go over to the Embed tab and copy that CDN link to clipboard. Then when I tell my communications team member that this email is ready to go out, I would just paste that link into the document with all of the other information for that email, and it would be carried over into the backend code used for sending out that email. So those are two ways that Ibotta uses the CDN links in Brandfolder. And again, knowing that those images are going to be there, that the data and content is reliable is super important to our program. And it is really wonderful that we know we can count on our savers getting valuable content every time we send out an email.